How's it going, guys? Butcher's Block here, and today is not a picking day. Today, sorry, I got my dog out. What you doing? Alright, today is, I got a question for the community first up, and then I want to show you my new locklab, and then something else at the end. So the first question I had is, I've got a couple old shackles. They're normally the boron, or they are somewhere not at hand. Yeah, okay, so it's mostly the boron. So they've got this rust on. Now, is there a way that these can be cleaned so it goes shiny again? I'm assuming that this is a coating, or I'm sorry, the rust is affecting the coating, and it probably won't, like if I wire brush it up, it's just going to go dull and no good. But if anyone out there knows, a good way to clean these up, because not this guy, but I've got a few that I want to put back together, and the shackles are just kaput, they're no good. Alright, so new locklab tour. So I've finally been kicked out of the common area, and I've been forced into the spare room. So this is same table, but I'll just step back a little bit here. So I'm in the spare room now, and I've got my my blue little trays there. My shiny, and I've still got stuff to put away and whatnot. But so this is I've organised most all of my locks. I've got all my buy locks out, and my my ovals. Locks that I'm in the process of rebuilding, and then Whitco's, and then cheap Chinese locks, Euros and such, my little masters. I've got all the cores that are to go back into locks. Stuff like that. Got my boxes up there. There we go. Let's move those out the way. Scoots Dexter. Yeah, just sort of organise it a bit better. Lotto locks, Americans, and then Lockwoods, some Abises in the corner, some random coolness in there, awesome little WVs and whatnot. So yeah, just all mostly all my locks. And this is my little tripod mount that I have it on, and then lighting one up here, and then I have a bounced hard light there. Can't have it direct, but otherwise it's just way too hard. The light's too harsh rather. So yeah, I'm tucked away now, so I can do a little bit more videos, I'm hoping. and yeah, that should be cool. Say hi. That's my dog Zaki. He's just chilling. Yeah. And then got all my parts and all my keys. Keys, 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 keys. Shackles. Ah, there's my shackles. Yeah, like this goes to the Abus one. Ah, that's what I wanted. It is an Abus, it's a real cactus Abus, but it's got an extended shackle. I don't know what it is, but it's like one of these, but a bit longer, and it's got a little bit of surface rust. Yeah. Anyway, okay, now onto the onto what's under here. So it is well overdue for my 100 sub giveaway. So it's not going to be a 100 sub giveaway, it's going to be a 156 sub giveaway. Do me a favour, Dexter. Cheers, mate. Okay, so first, unimpressive one, but still pretty cool. Little 30mm. It's I think it's the one up from that. What is that? That's cool little. And then you've got its bigger brother, 50mm. Then you have this, gown. This 334C45. And then you can choose the fourth lock. If you want a 334 B45, you can have one of those. Or if you'd rather a 234 B45, you can have one of those. Or if you want to go a wee bit old school, he's not complete. I'll build you one, but one of the I forget what's the 235. Yeah, I'm not sure. One of those, or yeah, you get to pick which lock you would like. Or the 234/45, not the B. Yeah. So there. Or if you, I suppose, if you don't want one of those, you can grab 2x4s because that's about the same weight. I will ship it anywhere. You can grab a older and a newer oval. You get to choose the fourth lock. All right. Pretty simple. What you have to do? Okay, just make me a video of you picking your favorite lock. You don't have to get into it. If it whips you, so be it. Just make me a video, and I will watch it, and you'll be in. Just put that in the description, and that's it. And you can be the winner of these awesome lockwoods. Yeah, cool. It's obviously well overdue. I'm halfway to 200. So yeah, guys. So if you want to be in, make a video in the description. And until next time, hooroo.